Don't judge the carpet. We're getting it taken care of. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. Coco is actually at school. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Today's video, that's disgusting. Today's video, I'm going to declutter because we've changed our filming situation area. And it's time for me to get rid of stuff. Like all of these I had on shelves. I don't use them at all. And we need to go through all of these things. I'm going to declutter. I will do a room tour later where I show you where everything is. It's just not situated. Now I have to pull everything out of this room so we can lay this down to protect the regular carpet, which is why we have this disgusting one in here. Let's get started on the declutter. This is something I've been thinking about for a while. These are all of my Cara palettes. I do not use them, so I think I'm actually just rip the band-aid. We're gonna get rid of them. I'm going to upload these to Poshmark. I will probably do like a bundle, like say these because they go together, these three go together, the magazines go together. I'll probably do something like that. Check out the Poshmark, I'll link it. NARS blushes, definitely gonna stay. Let's move over here. Now I will say I will probably end up needing the tripod because these are broken, so they are just gonna fall out. But let's start with the lipsticks. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of any lipsticks. I could, but that's gonna take a long time for me to go through every single one. And honestly, I love my lippies, so let's skip the lipsticks and the lip glosses and just move straight into, what's this? Blushes. This palette I absolutely love. I've had for years. I don't use it regularly, but I do love all of the options, and you got highlighters, so we're gonna keep that one. Don't mind this stuff. This is all of my mom's stuff, and that's her stuff, and then she has tons more stuff for whenever she comes, but let's get back into it. This here, I don't know that I've ever used it. Can I open it? So I've swatched it. I would never use this. I don't know what Coco did here. Let's put this to the side and think about it because I feel like this is something that's taking up space that I don't think I've ever used it. Then we have this, and I'm not going to use this, so we'll get rid of this one. I feel like so far we're doing good. Oh, these are, what are these? Oh, this came in like a little Tarte set, right? Let's keep those. This was beautiful. You know what? This can actually go. She's a little cream blush. I think she's cream, but I never use her, so let's get rid of it. This, don't use. Let's get rid of that. I'm doing really well. I have accomplished way more than I expected so far. Let's get rid of this because I don't use it. And let's leave it at that for now. Okay, this is where things start getting broken. Oh shit, this isn't good. Okay, we just took that out and put it on the floor. I don't go in these drawers often, so it being broken isn't a big deal to me. I normally put whatever I'm gonna regularly use in these two drawers. So, one, I don't want to buy a new one because these are not cheap, but two, it took me days to put these two together, so forget that. Let's get into this though. This, another one of those Zoeva things like that one that I'm not going to use, so we'll declutter that. Don't know why these are in here. Coco probably put them in here. I feel like Coco did. Oh my god, this is my favorite. Why is this not even in my purse? Okay, can you see that shade? It is the sweetest baby pink. This is in the shade Obsessed from Urban Decay. Literally obsessed. So we're keeping it, but let's put it over here because I need to put that back in my purse. And then back to this. This is another Zoeva palette, I think. Yeah, I'm probably not going to use it. She's really pretty. I do like the shades. I wouldn't use the purple. I like the pink over here. The highlighter is nice, but let's go ahead and just get rid of this one too. This I think I've had for like 20 years. This can go in the trash. Let's see, what else do we have here? I don't know if I've ever used this. Let's look at it. We've got some stuff back there too. Okay, so I've swatched this, but I have not used it, and I don't think I'm going to, so we'll get rid of it. Why do I remember this and think it's beautiful? Oh, because she is beautiful. Let's put her in the desk because that's why am I not using it? Let's get back over here. This I've had literally like since I got married, so a good like 8-9 years. I'm gonna keep it because the packaging and everything, although I never use it. This I think is supposed to be on Poshmark, and maybe I never listed it, so let's put that up there. I think I'm going to have to pull this drawer out and put it down to go to the next one. Okay, nothing really in the next one except for duster bags and these to hold my eyeshadow palette. But I think this is broken, so I got to pull that out too. Okay, let's push these in because I feel like that's dangerous. This is broken too. Okay, contour palette. Let's look at it. These are all going to be different face palettes. Okay, I never used this. I did swatch some of them, but I never used it, so let's get rid of this. Cover FX. This was pretty, and I should probably use this more. I do love the quality of the brand. Yeah, she's really pretty. She was only $13 at Marshall's, so... or TJ Maxx. We're keeping that. Then we have this from Becca. I don't know why I don't use this more because she is really pretty. Packaging's a little cheap, but she is really pretty. Okay, I feel like this from Ace Beauty could go. Those might actually be some really pretty bronzer shades, but am I going to use it? Probably not. So let's get rid of that one. We have this. I've never used it. I've swatched it, but I like these. Obviously, I love these little ones are my favorites, so we got to keep them. Okay, never used this. She's pretty, I should. We have another one over here. That one, never used that either. Why? Why haven't I? If I haven't used them, let's just go ahead and get rid of those. This, I think we can get rid of too. Yeah, likelihood of me using that slim, so let's get rid of that one. Kiko Milano. I got this for $6 at TJ Maxx. We're not even focusing here. Not that it matters because this isn't a TJ Maxx video, but $6. Let's look at it. Dude, why am I not using this? This is freaking gorgeous. Oh, this is going on the desk immediately. I've been seeing this at Marshall's a lot lately. Well, at least the one by my house. That's what that looks like. She's gorgeous. We're keeping her. Although I don't use her, we're keeping it. This is one of my go-tos. Not anymore, but for many, many years, I feel like this was something that I would regularly use. So just out of memories, I'm keeping. And then this Stephen Klein. I just really like the whole collab thing. I don't use this. I've used it a little bit, but that was in the past. I haven't used this in quite a while, but we're going to keep it because it's, I don't know, I like the packaging. So we've got these things here and then a bunch more up there. Okay. These are bronzers and sprays. I don't know if I've ever even used this. Don't think I've ever used this, but it's a really pretty shade, so we're gonna keep this. I don't think I have any bronzers that I'm gonna get rid of. Okay, well, this bronzing stick, I've never used it. We can trash that. This is really nice. I should use it more, so let's keep them. Oh, this was one of my favorite. This is in Bali, right? Yes. Gorgeous, shimmery bronzer. Gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna keep all of this stuff here. No, we can get rid of that. We really don't need all of these little things, but we're going to keep them there for now. Down here we have some stuff. So this is empty because all of the naked palettes are up there. Y'all know a new naked palette is coming out. What is this? Oh, monochromatic. I bought this? Wait, what? I forgot I bought this palette. This was not a cheap palette, okay? Let me tell you, I should put some more use to it. Let's put this on the desk because I need to use this. This was not cheap. This palette's gorgeous, and these things just randomly got thrown in here, like in the move. The first one of these that I bought, I bought it at Ulta, and I didn't open the box or anything beforehand, and it was broken. I was so disappointed, but I got one that was not broken. She's pretty. You know, I should use all of my stuff more, but I just actually don't have the time. This is just trash from the Hindash Boy Tears or whatever. What is this? I remember this. We got it in like a boxy charm. Why does it do that? Help me! We got it. I'm dying. We got it in like a boxy charm or something. She's really pretty. But am I going to use her? Probably not. This, I think, was supposed to go into Poshmark. This I haven't used. We're going to go ahead and put this on Poshmark. And then this is that brush, that makeup brush that I bought because of TikTok. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to put that on the desk so I remember I actually have it. I will link this. It was pretty cheap on Amazon. Okay, this one isn't all broken. Let's move the stand here. Okay, all of this stuff is actually on Poshmark, so we don't even really need to go through this because I know exactly what this stuff is. This is just some drawers. Not drawers, y'all. Cables and stuff. Okay, this is more Poshmark stuff, but I don't think I have all of it listed. So, like, I have this Pat McGrath lipstick that needs to go up there. So the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And then it is in this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous shade. And then we have another one in a different shade. I actually bought these on accident. I ordered them online. I was like, they're so gorgeous. I need these. And then I realized I actually have both of these shades already. So I just have them. Like I said, all of this stuff was already going on to Poshmark, but we do have, what is this? Natasha Denona palette. We've got some more Rare Beauty that's going up. I don't know if I listed that stuff yet. This drawer was like random giveaway stuff, and then I have like a couple boxes full of giveaways. away items. And then, oh, no, we don't want to go through this, do we? I don't think I'm going to attempt to go through. We'll do a palette declutter since we have all of the Kara palettes or whatever up there. So we're not going to even do any more palettes because that's a lot of palettes. Empty, brushes. So these are all just pretty much nothing drawers. So we actually are decluttering a lot. We have all of this. We have this stuff down here, not this, but this stuff. And then all of these palettes here. So we got 23 palettes, eyeshadow palettes all together. And then we've got some face palettes. Well, 20 something, because there's another eyeshadow palette that's down there. And then we've got face palettes, blush, all of that. So that's good. I'm feeling like we've accomplished a lot, although this is still kind of brain anxiety, y'all. Anyway, I will link my Poshmark, so if you want to get any of this stuff, you can. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.